Hey everyone, welcome to Earthling Cooks. Today we're going to be making an awesome turkey burger. My wife doesn't eat beef or pork, so turkey's the thing we do. And I used to eat, hamburgers all the time. I still do, but I actually prefer turkey sometimes now. So to start, you need your meat, and I'm using 1/4 pound. And I like to create just a little opening in the middle, and I'll go ahead and throw in my seasonings, which I do salt, pepper, garlic, and onion. You can add, any seasoning you want. You can get like a burger seasoning or this or that, but I like salt, pepper, onion, and garlic for burgers. And then my wife likes things spicy, so after this garlic, I'm going to throw in a little bit of crushed red peppers. She likes everything to have a little spice to it. Then we can go ahead and form this, kind of fold it over on itself, get all the seasoning in there, and I'll form this into a patty that's bigger than the bun in width. The thickness of it is just going to be what the thickness is, but I like it to be bigger. It's going to shrink. All burgers shrink a little bit when they're cooking, so you want this to be a little bit bigger than your bun size. There we go. Make sure your grill is on and heated up to a really high heat. I also have some onions in this foil here to throw on there, so we can add some onions on top. Let's go ahead to the grill and get started. So at the grill, we're going to want to throw on our onions. We're going to want to toast our bun. So we need to check that a lot for the first 30 seconds or so. And we'll go ahead and throw on our turkey meat here and get it off the plate. There we go. I'll just go ahead and plop that in. Okay, now just check on your bread and make sure that doesn't burn. We just want a nice little browning on it. So we'll give the bread just a couple more seconds. And then we'll come back. We're going to cook the burger about 5 minutes aside on high heat. And my bread's starting to look perfect to me. This is actually keto bread too, but it toasted up pretty nicely. That's fine. You can do it more or less. I think that came out good for what I want. Now we're just going to let these keep cooking. Got in about another 3 minutes. I like to close it, but if you have an open top grill, that's fine too. After 5 minutes, we'll go ahead and flip everything. Get this burger flipped. As you can see, it shrunk. It's now about the size of our bread. There we go. Give it another 5 minutes on this side. Keep your heat all the way up. It's been 5 more minutes. We'll flip one more time. Nice, nice. And now we're going to go ahead and throw on our cheese. And we're just going to let this cook until that cheese melts a little bit, and then we'll assemble our burger. Now it's done. Let's go ahead and take it off and then assemble everything onto our burger. Here we are, almost done. Got the onions under there, and this is my special sauce, but all it is ketchup, mustard, and Miracle Whip. That's what my wife likes. Go ahead and just get some of this on there. Put it together. So give it a try. Let me know how you like it. This is Earthling Cooks. We'll see you next time. I'm going to go ahead and cut it in half just so you guys can see the inside a bit.